Ethics and morality are two closely related concepts, albeit with particular distinctions. Morality can be defined as the ability to determine what is right and acceptable and to act accordingly. Morals can be shared by a group of people, but they remain highly individual, personal, and ultimately internal. Meanwhile, ethics can be viewed as a set of moral principles recognized and established by a group in society. Ethics are rooted in morals but are essentially an external and social system imposed on individuals in a separate social group. For example, the behavior considered legal and ethical throughout the country, such as the death penalty, can be viewed as immoral by individuals residing there. Moreover, ethics, as principles of a specific group, are uniform in nature as they correspond to the needs of individuals in that group. Whereas morals are highly diverse as the principles of individuals are influenced by a variety of unique factors. Nevertheless, both notions relate to the distinction between what is deemed good and bad or acceptable and unacceptable. However, it is vital to be able to understand the differences between ethics and morals, as an action viewed as valid and appropriate in ethics can be regarded as morally wrong and vice versa. Sport is one of the areas of life in which ethical behavior is often expected. Professional and amateur athletes alike are required to act with integrity, fairness, and respect for others. Above all, sportspeople are mandated to follow certain rules, and breaking them is considered highly unethical. For example, marathon and race runners should be mindful of other competitors and not intentionally impede their progress. Thus, it can be stated that a person who follows these rules behaves ethically and within the set standards of the sport. However, a runner who helps a collapsed athlete in front of them cross the finish line behaves beyond the expected ethical principles, as no rules are broken by ignoring a fellow participant. It is the personal moral code that states that helping a competitor is right. This and many other essays are available at studycorgi.com.